Hello friends and welcome to my channel Learning Sanskrit. This is my first video, so please view and subscribe and please watch till the end. I am Dr. Chitra Bhardwaj and this channel is for the lovers of the language, that is Sanskrit. So any language has two parts. One, its grammar, and other, its literature. So to understand the literature, first of all we should know the grammar of the language so that we could understand the literature in a better form. Here we are going to talk about the very basic Sanskrit grammar, that is Maheshwar Sutra. What is Maheshwar Sutra? Maheshwar Sutras are actually the set of 14 sutra or aphorism or set of rules. To understand it, we should know how this Maheshwar Sutra came into existence. Maheshwar Sutras were composed by Panini, and it is an old saying regarding the Panini Sutra or Maheshwar Sutra, or as it is also called as Pratyahar Sutra. It is said that Panini worshipped Lord Shiva to attain knowledge. And Lord Shiva graced him with his presence and he rattled the Damru 14 times. And out of that sound of that rattling of Damru, Panini created, and what he created in a sense that he heard that 14 sutras and he created those 14 sutras, and that's why the sutras are known as Maheshwar Sutras. What does Maheshwar means? Maheshwar means from the Lord Shiva, and that's why the second name is Panini Sutra. Panini Sutra, why? Because it's been composed by Panini. Another name for this is Pratyahar Sutra. Why Pratyahar Sutra? Because Panini made some short forms or say Pratyahar out of these sutra that he used in his grammar. What is the grammar that Panini composed? Is an Ashtadhyay. Ashtadhyay is how actually grammar comes after the language was formed. So language was being used by the people and later on the grammar was formed. By how the grammar was constituted by Panini was the basis was the Pratyahar Sutra or say Pratyahar. So today we are going to learn about these Panini Sutras or Maheshwar Sutra. See, what is this Pratyahar? These are the very basic alphabets of Sanskrit, and there is a very systematic thing regarding this Pratyahar or Panini Sutra. What is that? These are basically in a certain set or forms. And how are they? These are, first of all, the Panini has given some swar or say vowels that we call in English, and next is consonant or hal or vyanjanas. So let's start with the Maheshwar Sutra. Maheshwar Sutra. I un, reel rik, a om, I och, hai varat, lan, yamangananam, jhabhai, ghadadash, jabagadash, khafa chatath chatatav, kapaya, shasasara, hal. These are 14 set of rules or aphorisms or sutras that Panini composed out of hearing of rattling of Damru. So let's see how are these said to be most scientific. If we see, starting from the first sutra, that is I un. The first sutra is I un. I un. Here a, I, U are swar or vowels. Swar, next re, re, then a, o, next I, O. Here one thing is to be noted that last varnas are just for pronunciation. They are not to be counted while reading the varnas constituted in a sutra. That's why it's called as Itta Sangyak. Ra, ka, ga, cha. These are it. So what is the role of this making all these sutras is when Panini says ach, starting from a of I un to cha of a I och, Ach. Start from a, goes to ch. Ach. Ach means a, I, u, re, ri, a, o, I, ow. So we are not here reading these last varnas. Why? Because these are called as it-sangyak. Okay, that's why what Panini uses is last letters or varnas are just for pronunciation. Okay, so ach are swaras in Maheshwar Sutra. Next, here is from high varats ha to last 14th hal la. From high varat to la. These are all consonant. If we see haya vara la yamangana na jhabha ghadha dha jaba gada da khafa chatha ta chata ta kapa shasa sa ha. So what are these? If we say hal, hal means all vyanjanas or consonants. So this way the Paninian Vyakaran or Paninian grammar, that is Ashtadhyayi, or any system of Paninian Vyakaran that came after Ashtadhyayi also uses these pratyahar or short forms to make some sutras, to do the word formation. Here, now there are many other small pratyahar that we can where we see that Panini has made out of these. Like for example, he says H. What does H means? A, O, I, O. Okay, so likewise the short forms are made. So what are these? These are the best phonemes. Phonemes are the sounds. Or this actually Maheshwar Sutra is very helpful in just knowing the philology of human body, or say the sound mechanism, how the sounds are produced out of a body, because in the swara the internal organs, how the internal organs are going to be involved in the making of some sounds. In the later videos we are going to discuss about this aspect of all ucharan, sthan and everything, about how which organ is involved in the ucharan of some particular alphabet or say varna. We are going to talk about all this in the later video. First of all, what is this? These are all Maheshwar Sutras. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and do share your comments in the section below. And please, if you want me to cover some more topics that are of your interest, share your views with me. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.